Hello everyone and welcome to Science HQ. In this video we are going to solve Necta questions. So starting by this question here, which was Necta 2007 question number 5. We have been given this periodic table, a mini periodic table, a chart that carries 20 elements, and question A, you are given element D, C, B, A, and E, which have atomic numbers of 1, 10, 14, 16, and 20 respectively. Place the elements in their respective groups and period in the above periodic table. So let me talk a bit about periodic table. Periodic table, it has two important things, which is groups and the period. We have this vertical column, which we call groups. Also, we have this horizontal row, which we call period. So, group is always written in a Roman, like this way, and we have 8 groups for this mini periodic table. Also, period, it is always written in digit numbers, and for this mini periodic table, we have 4 periods. So our question, it is all about identifying the groups and periods of this given element. So let's come to solution. So to solve this question in a simple way, first of all, we have to write the electronic configuration of each element. Then from there, it can be easy for us to identify groups and the periods of these elements here. But you can ask yourself, why do we need to write electronic configuration? So the reason behind is one of the advantage of writing electronic configuration, it provides all information about groups and the period plus number of shells. So that's why we need to write electronic configuration. So because we have atomic numbers, so it can be easy for us to write electronic configuration. So starting by E, it has the atomic number of 20. So from your notes, you can write electronic configuration as 2, ratio 8, ratio 18, ratio 2. This is a number of electrons. So in the first shell, it has 2 electrons, the second shell, 8, the third, and the fourth shell, which carry 2 electrons. This is a number of electrons in a given shell. So number of shell determine a period. Number of shell determine a period. Like to say we have 1, 2, 3, 4 shell. So 4 shell equals to 4 period. So element E, it is belong to period number 4, because we said number of shell determining the period number. And then the number of electrons that is present at the outermost shell is the one that determines the group of a given element. So because the last shell carried 2 electrons at the outermost shell determine the group number, means it is group number 2. So letter E, it belongs to period number 4 and the group number 2. So we come to group number 2, it is here, and the period number 4. So we're supposed to put E around there. And then let's come to letter A. So first of all, we write electronic configuration of A, which has atomic number of 16. From your notes, it is 2, ratio 8, ratio 6. So first shell, second shell, and the third shell. So we have 3 shells, which determine period number. So 3 period. So period, it is 3. And then the number of electrons that are present at the outermost shell is the one that determines the group number. So because we have 6 electrons, means will be group number 6. So letter A, it belongs to period number 3 and the group number 6. So group number 6, it is here, and period number 3. So period number 3, group number 6. We're supposed to put A. That is all. Then after, let's come for B. B, it has the atomic number of 14, which means 2 ratio 8 ratio 4. First shell, second shell, last shell, which carry 4 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, we have 3 shells. So means period 3. And then the outermost shell contains 4 electrons. So 4 electrons represent group number, which is group number 4. So letter B, it is belonging to period number 3 and the group number 4. So group number 4, it is here, and the period 3, it is here. So we're supposed to put B. Then after, let's see the group and the period of letter C, which has the atomic number of 10. So 10, it is 2 ratio 8. How many shells? 1 shell, second shell. So 2 shells, which means period 2. And then the outermost shell carry 8 electrons. So 8 electrons represent number of group, which is group number 8. So group number 8, it's here, and the period number 2, it is here. So we're supposed to put letter C over there. And then let's finish by writing electronic configuration of letter D. Letter D, it has atomic number of 1. Therefore, here it is 1. How many shell? 1 shell. So 1 shell representing 1 period. And the outermost shell contains how many electrons? Just 1 electron. So 1 electron, which determines group number equals to 1. So group number 1, it is here, and the period number 1, the same, it is here. So we're supposed to put letter D. You see? So by using electronic configuration, it can be easy for us to determine groups and the period of each element. So let's see question B. Question number B required to write chemical formula, right? Chemical formula of carbonate of element E, of carbonate of element E. Element E. So carbonate, we have to take a reaction between carbonate ion plus E. Because E, it is belong to group number 2, means it has a charge of positive 2. So here charge are balanced, and then you join, equals to write E CO3. So this is a chemical formula of carbonate of element E. And the last question is write a decomposition reaction of this substance. We have to write we have to write a decomposition reaction. Decomposition means you break a large substance to be small substances. So we're taking this formula EO3, decomposition under the presence of heat. You can form EO plus carbon dioxide. And then you can balance the number of atoms. So here it is 1E, it's okay. How many carbon? 1 carbon, it's okay. Then after 3 oxygen atom, 2 plus 1, 3. So now it is balanced. So hiyo ilikuwa ni Necta 2007 question number 5. Kama kuna namna yote nimekusaidia, niambie katika upande wa comment. Lakini pia usisahau kusubscribe pamoja na kushare video hizi kwa wanafunzi wengi zaidi ili tuweze kuwasaidia. Thank you so much, na nakukaribisha kutazama video zinazofuata.